Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. I have another hair mail for you guys. I wanted to try, so Tia Marie, and hopefully you guys know who she is. If not, shout out to Tia Marie, awesome web wig channel. She purchases from affordable brands that are not Paula Young and they're not name brand, but they're affordable. So I wanted to try one of those websites, and I also was looking for some additional colors to the purple model that I had. So I found Ebony, I think it's Ebony Online or Ebony Line. And so I tried 3 of them, and so that's what I want to show you today. So they come in, different packaging. It's not the same. So this one here is, it says Everyday Collection, AMORE MIO, and this is, the name is, the style is AW Fajar, and the color is P4 2730. So let's see what this one is. So what I have on my hair right now is Girl Mono from Ellen Wille and Hothazelnut mix. Okay, so this is the wig. Color is gorgeous, very pretty. She's got bangs and just all basic cap. Let me show you real quick. Just an extended nape. We've got the feels like felt, hair stitched in, so not bad. You've got a basic cap. The wefting is kind of big, so it's a little, lower quality than some of the name brands, but all right, let's try her on. AW Fajar, Fajar. Okay, let's see what she looks like. I love the color. Oh, she's pretty. This will work. I can get this to work. Oh yeah, we can get this to work. Gotta cut the bangs. This is pretty. Oh, I like it. Yeah, see, so I can get it to work. No permatease at all. But we can fix the bangs. What do you guys think? I think she's cute. Oh, the color is gorgeous though. Real pretty color. I like her. What do you guys think? Yeah. She's cute. I like her. All right. So the next one is, this is Carefree. This is Wendy. Full wig, F2216. This is a Carefree collection from Fabulous Hair Made Easy. All right, let's see. Okay. All right. Ooh, the color's pretty. Color is pretty. Let's see what she's got for cap. Basic cap, same thing. We've got extended nape, open weft. Not felt, it's a little rough. Just a basic cap. She's a little short. I was going for like some of the kinky looks. I love those curls. All right, let's see. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay. Okay, she's cute. She needs a little, this is really cute. She needs some work right here. She's gonna need some work right here. It's not a bang. I don't think it's supposed to be a bang. No permatease. Looks like a side part here. Okay, it has potential. This is Wendy. Wendy has potential. Yep. I think she has potential. Okay, and then this one is the one I was looking for. So this is Model, and this is similar to the purple one, that orchid one, the lilac color that I have. And this one is in azure blue. So, I know, I'm into the fashion colors. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right, let's try her on. Oh, so I like this one. It's just something right here we've got to fix. But this is cute. This is cute. Okay. Now this should be, so you've got a lace, the part, just the part right there is lace. So, oh, I forgot to turn around for you guys. I'm sorry. This is just hair mail anyway. Alright, so she is not as nice, so we're gonna have to fix something here. Because this is not, yeah, there's something like right here that's wrong with it. I hope I could fix that. Because that is not like my orchid one. Okay, but this is cute. Alright, we've got to see. I got to see if I could fix this right here. Something's not right here. But this is pretty. This is like my orchid one. I have the whole try-on with this one. But this is pretty. But this is really I hope I could fix it. It's just really, there's no hair, and it's really like the wefting, it's really visible there. Hope I could fix it. But oh, it's gorgeous. Love the color. This is pretty. Here, I'll do turn around for this one. This is the side. This is the back. And this is the other side. So, this is a little more affordable, different brands. So, yeah, this one's not as nicely made as the orchid.